earlier when I did my front brakes, how I got the wrong brakes. It was kind of an upgrade. I put out a short about it, um, and someone commented, and I'll put the comment here somewhere, that I should be honest about it and call them. So, uh, here's the phone call.
Thank you for choosing Detroit Axle, your number one automotive parts supplier. Please hold for the next representative, and we will gladly assist you. Also, do remember you can visit our website at detroitaxle.com. Thank you.
Detroit Axle, this is Emma speaking. How may I help you?
Hi. I placed an order last week and it was a little messed up.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I ordered some standard rotors, and to be brutally honest, you guys sent me drilled and slotted rotors. I'm not complaining, but I thought maybe I'm just trying to be an honest person here.
Okay.
I mean,
Right.
well, there was also supposed to be some hand cleaner in it, and I didn't receive that. But I mean, that's a
Okay.
um.
I
But
gotcha.
I mean, I know it sounds weird. I'm calling and complaining because I got a better part. But I'm just trying to be honest. I didn't know you
I
guys
know, I know.
if you wanted me
And
to
thank you
pay
for
the
that.
difference or.
I don't think they're gonna make you do that, but I mean, if you got an order number, let me take a look at it and connect you with someone who's like, who knows
Okay.
what we can do.
Um.
Okay.
The order number's 28.
Okay. Uh.
Well, the other thing is
Okay.
I didn't get the hand cleaner, so there was that.
Okay. Okay, I got you. All right, William. Let me let me connect you with someone here, and I'm sure they'll figure something out for you. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, transfer him, please.
I'm sorry.
District Axel, this is Doc. Hello.
Hi. Um.
Yes,
Uh.
hello, sir.
I don't know if that lady explained any of this to you, or
Yes, yes, she did explain everything. You've
okay.
ordered the solid ones, but you've got the drilled and slotted ones.
Yeah, I didn't know if you guys wanted if you wanted me to pay the difference on that or not. And but
Just give me a second here, sir.
the other thing I didn't get
Go ahead, yes.
the hand cleaner that I ordered. That wasn't in the package.
Yes, sir, that's what I'm looking for right now. Just give me a second.
I know it sounds odd me calling and trying to be honest about the rotors.
We do appreciate that, sir. Just give me a second here.
Uh huh.
On the parts that you got, do they fit your vehicle?
Yes. Yep.
And you're 100% sure of that?
They're on right now. I
Okay,
did. I
okay,
did.
sir.
I did check part numbers and all that. I ref. I I checked it before I did
Yeah,
anything.
that's what I was going to ask you, just to make sure that it actually fits your vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'm gonna put you on a very brief hold here. Is that okay?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Yes, hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, well, sir, since you are one heck of a customer, we don't want any price difference between the two parts, and I'm going to create an order for you for the hand cleaner,
Okay.
and we are going to give you a gift. I'm just going to choose one heck of a gift here. Just give me a second, please.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a drying towel that we have.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
Uh, no, sir. I just asked, and we are going to give you that as a gift for being such a good customer. Just bear with me for a moment. Should
Okay.
it be shipped to the same address, sir?
Yes, sir.
I will do that. Just give me a second. It's William Wick. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just give me a second here. And should I use the email address I have here, which is com?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. I will be sending you our 25 by 36 inches Miracle Dryer microfiber drying towel. It
Thank,
looks cool actually and stuff. So yeah, just give me a second here.
thank you.
You're welcome, sir. We do appreciate you as a customer. Thank you so much for being honest.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, sir. I just created an order for you for the hand cleaner and the towel.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. You deserve it. You're one heck of a dude.
I appreciate that. I don't think I'm one heck of a
You're
dude.
welcome, sir. Anything else? I'm sorry.
I don't think I'm one heck of a dude, but I'll
No,
take it.
sir. No, sir. You are super. Thank you. Anything else I
Thank
can
you.
help you with here today?
No, that'll be it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. Anything else?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome, sir. Bye bye.
Yeah, I was honest about it. I got rewarded for my honesty. Detroit Axle's a good company to work with. Um, and I've already got the hand cleaner and the microfiber towel. I'd show you, but it's at home.